No, I don't have OC. I can trade me. I can trade me.
Sa atin ba ito blood sa loob? Sa ano? Westgate.
Hindi. Enemy blood yun. Okay, mount. Okay, I thought they run. Oh, just stay here. Stay on me. Stuck on me for now. Just stuck on me. They have range bomb, so you guys need to be careful on that. Okay? Just hold. Let them break the gates first and then we start playing with the Minze. For now we chill because they're playing too far.
Hindi tayo ata ito boy.
They're trying to use their range bomb squad.
Check the blood.
Yeah,
Subo tayo sa likod.
Level 10. Isa.
Scout ka nga lang muna, Squirtle dyan. Two skill away sa amin. Okay, hold. Yo, careful on that. What the fuck? Ano yun?
Oh, it's ours. I like. Okay. Blackbird.
Okay, just hold for now. Why do I feel they will leave? Oh, come back. Don't follow me, okay? Don't follow me. Stay on the gate. Stay on the first gate, okay? Okay, hold. Okay. Dismount on me now. Dismount on me.
Ano ako dun?
Okay, OC now. Hold. Follow me. Okay, Pats now. Walking deep. Yo, on me now, on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Nice. Let's go. And come back. Go to the gate. Come out. Hold. Okay, hold. We're gonna hit fast north, okay? Hold. Okay, on the gate now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate now. Hit. Oh, we got Jade. Fuck. Yeah. It's fine. Come back. Hold.
14 seconds.
Okay. Okay, follow me now. Okay, come northwest. Subuta is southeast. Okay, stuck on me now. Hold. Okay, come west now. Comes out. Okay, we're gonna play sides, okay? Just follow me for now. Grabe yung lag ko. Wala kasi tayo lag check kanina. I'm just glad we pots first before we walk deep. Holy shit, it was so scary, bro. Okay, hold. Just follow now. Just... Oh, sayang.
Once upon a time, blood.
Okay. Position northwest. Position northwest.
Let me cancel.
Follow me now. Hold. Okay. Just stay here.
Player, bomb squad.
Okay.
Naka-siege bomb.
Saan? Follow me now.
Press natin.
Gago, 1v3 yata to ah. Pero it's fine. Follow me.
Some subo
Okay,
tayo mounted.
Okay. Saan banda?
Southwest, the blob.
Okay. Subuta yan. Okay, balik ka na dito. If you're far, mount up and then dismount on top of me. If you're far.
May panglumlab.
Okay, be careful over the wall, okay? They have siege bomb and with short bomb. Okay,
Control
Moloris is
bomb.
here as well. Okay, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast. Holy shit, this is gonna be fun, boys. It's 1v3. Subutai, AR, and Dutchman. Follow the Zerg 4 now. Okay, if the fight started, I want you guys to spread, okay? I want you to use all the space. Dapat pala nag-intay muna ako dun. Okay, come back. Oh, they miss. Okay, come back. Come southwest. Umalis na yata yung TFD.
Subutay. Good times.
Okay.
Blub.
Okay.
Dismounted.
Okay. Come northwest na. Okay, come northwest. Come southwest na.
Careful
Fast.
sa wall.
Use your boots. Don't get caught. Okay, come south now. Follow me. Come south.
Meron sa taas ng hila.
Yeah. Okay. Come north now. We're gonna wrap around. Follow me. Okay, hold. You stay behind me, okay? Stay behind me. Okay. Yo, look northeast. Okay, fast. Hold. Come. Follow me. We're gonna look on northeast, okay? Follow me. Hold. Okay, look northeast now. On me now. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Dami hell yun. Fuck, my bad. Come back. Come south.
Meron sa soap.
Come south. Go uphill. Follow me. Dapat di kayo nag-uphill. Okay, ready. Yo, look on me now. Come south. Okay, ready to look west, okay? Hard west. Hold. Def first. Okay, pats now. Walk south. Yo, look on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. It's big. Putang ina mo, wala na tayong damage. Namatay agad yung ano. Come south. Keep walking south.
We don't have weed.
Okay, come east now. Go to the choke east. Okay, hold. Ang layo maglaro ng bomb squad natin. Hold. Keep walking east. Keep walking east. Follow me. Buti na GE ako.
Boy!
I think just mount up. Make your way out.
Sinipa pa sa amin yung collar nga.
No, yung atune weapon ko, tangina naman.
Wala na. I mean, nagbabalik kayo.
Mabubuhay ka yata eh.
Ano, mabubuhay po tayo nung inangat ka. Tangina si Jay, po pa. Lumayo ka sa akin.
Sakit nung ano boy? Nung headbutt kanina.
Tangina si Jay, pa pumatay sa akin.
Shit.
Ang layo maglaro ng bomb squad ng Black Pearl.
Anong plano?
Giri.
Sabay na ako sa inyo palis ng Morgana.
Yeah. Go back Morgana.
Kikita ko na
We
yung
get wipe.
Wala.
Ay, naku.
Yeah, it's so bad. How our range bomb squad play. It's so bad.
Wala akong pang-arba.
They're playing very far
Magkano natin?
from us.
Ano? Squirtle.
Ano?
Magkano
Wala ka.
arbak mo?
150.
Hindi ka naman hindi ka naman
Pwede
makancel.
mag-arba?
Hindi ka makancel pag silver.
Asan ka ba?
Ito.
Nag-decons ka din pa ako. Wait lang. Asan ka? Pink ka?
Pinapagalitan sila.
Hindi na pala kita bibigyan ng silver.
Pink ka ba yan?
Black Pearl, where are you? Squad, hala?
Ano?
Okay. Just prepare, okay? Nasa MR kami.
Ay,
Wait
nako.
naman ito.
MR ka?
Di ba ako nakakagat eh.
Gagi.
Pero ano ba?
Mag-aba ka
Hindi
siguro.
gago
Out.
Okay.
Hmm.
Dito tayo gago.
Ako tabling lang ako ng tabling kanina.
Hindi ako makahabol sa inyo.
Gago ang
Sabay naman yung F2, pati ano.
Sakit ng headbutt kanina boy.
Hirap
Hindi ka makahabol sa amin, Oski.
Tara.
Yung sa... Hindi ko nakalimutan. Pero basta na nag-engage yung nasa right side na.
Kawawa yung clotted.
Ako lang yata nandun eh.
Hindi, pwede mo lang i-spam ba yung ano mo, yung valor mo lagi. Maliit lang cooldown yan.
Parang papala mo. Muna ka, tumakas ka
Hindi,
na.
mauna ka na baliw. Kasi mas malala yung sa'yo eh.
Tumakas ka na, ako na bala dito. Ganun.
For the Bayani.
Bayani.
Mag-armac ka na, baliw. Mas mahal yung gamit mo sa akin.
Ge, ganun mo ilang sounds na lang, 5 sounds na lang.
Is nga.
Baliw.
Tubo tayo.
Tara.
Subo itlog.
Dito mo kang Starbucks si Hunter.
Yeah. Try to survive. Hunter. Make your way here.
Kaya lang, CR muna ako gaga.
Akalain mo yun, di pala ako nag-OC. Alright.
Uy,
Galing.
ayos.
Di mo na ako naman.
Wait, where we go? Where do we go? Okay. Okay, we hold southwest, guys, but take invis from west. We will fight Summers.
Are we moving na? Are we moving na po ba, pre?
O hindi pa yata.
Okay.
Ay, ang pangit!
Okay, go. Go southwest and then zone southeast. Go southwest and then go southeast. White Wall, Glacier Fall Pass.
Go southwest.
Zone southwest and then southeast. Glacier Fall Pass.
Glacier Fall fast.
Okay.
Another castle fight. Yung first engage natin, grabe yung lag po.
Gago na. Click ko yung dahon.
Make sure to take in visa.
Map check.
There's a lot of one shot here.
Northwest pa rin ng boy.
Fen. Southwest.
Fen and then
dadalhin na ba?
Glacier Fall Pass.
Dadali na ba yung gear?
Hindi. May fight pa.
Okay.
Ano to?
Family?
Family.
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 Sino ba tayo?
Make sure to take in visa.
Fen, tapos Glacier Pass.
Oh.
Yung castle dyan. Okay. Ay, tama ba? Ay, kago. Nawalan ako ng invite. So,
Maalis na sila, yung future party.
Okay. Try to dismount here if you're here.
Where?
Log out. I'm here on this ping.
tama ba? Ito yung black screen. Ayun, sabi na yung may castle.
No, it's just bumalik ka na Oski dito. Dito ka na. Sumunod ka na dito.
Ano tayo makakamount?
Hello, kasi yun yung family.
Family. Ayan.
Isa-isahin ko yung mga yan eh. Joke. Ako yung naisa. Hay nako.
Kago tumakbo. Malaki naman kasi.
Oh, sakit.
Yung family clap baka bigla kayong maputukan dyan.
Yan ngayon ko sa range bomb squad eh. Pagka hindi mo alam yung content, tapos biglang mag-open world, wala ka talagang kwenta.
Eagles malala.
Kaya maganda mag-melee ba may kahit saan eh.
Boy, dito rin yun eh. Yun ang problema tayo, range bomb squad. Tapos ano, yung sunset kalaban. Dito yun. Yung na-trap tayo dito.
Ay, bad trip naman.
Ayun, away sila sa TeamSpeak ngayon.
Ano daw?
Ang layo kasi umikot ng Black Pearl. Kada engage nila, mamount up, ikot ulit. Tapos tayo puta, kinakaliwa ka nung ano.
Wala na ba malapit na ano dito?
Ang cancer eh. Kaya nangyayari kanina, ano lang, isang bomb squad, oak bomb squad, and then main zerg natin. Yun yung sinasandwich ng dalawang zerg na kalaban. Tapos yung Black Pearl. Oh. No comment. Hindi dapat tayo may istries. Ano ina si JFY pa talaga yung kakainis.
Gago. Ba't ano? Nag-dismount siya?
Nag-dismount. Hinabol niya ako.
Ganda
May
din.
nakakita sa akin na officer din ng AR. Nakita siguro ako. Ayun, si Flair. Bigla akong tinambayan ng tatlay po. Hindi ako makapag-mount up. Pero feel ko may iba yung laban doon kung ano. Kasi umalis na yung Dutchman eh. Hindi sila sumama sa gulo eh. Siguro kung kinap natin yung castle, kung gano'n yung ginawa ni Zicol, makakapaglaro pa tong bomb squad nila, Chip.
Wala silang mataguan eh. Ano,
Or ano, or nagstay lang dun sa choke, dun malapit sa castle. Kasi ang gaganda nung choke dun sa castle eh, puro uphill.
lalo na yun doon sa ano, yung
Puro uphill, tas ang
palabas,
daming
may-
iikutan.
yung bayi bato na malaki. Ganda doon eh.
Bakit nag-rap tong si Dick?
Ba naglalag? Naglalag yata.
By the way, Hunter, are you good? I mean, wait. Okay. We're in Glacier Fall Pass. I got red zone. What the fuck? Okay.
Hindi kaya nila palitan yung mechanics ng door ng castle, ano? Tsaka yung Terry. Kailangan mo pa i-click. Nakakainis.
Sasabihin ko rin Debs Deacon, huwag ka mag-alala.
Oo, gago. Tapos kapag kinlik mo sa gilid, i-spawn ka sa gitna. Nadali na ako ng ganun eh. Gumigilid ako boy, tas nasama ako sa club pagka zone ko. Tinipi ako sa gitna ng ano, di ba? Kahit sa gilid ka mag-click, gitna mag-spawn.
Mhm.
Patay ka pa din kapag kala mo dito ka mag-i-spawn, tas nandito yung engage sa gitna.
Ano kasi yun sa coding, mahirap.
May
Maglalag siya, promise sa server, kasi hotdog.
ganun ba? Tama.
Oh, I see. Dapat pala ganun na lang ginawa ni Zico.
Hotdog. ano, ano ba?
Nababaliw
We
na
go
ako.
northwest, we go northwest, guys.
Northwest?
Dapat pala pinush niya na talaga yung nasa
Kasi
northeast kanina. Yung unang in-engagean niya na nasa northeast.
Sinubo tayo ng hotdog.
Mukhang kukunin na yung gamit.
Kailangan niya na mag-push ng isang side dito eh. Kaso pumunta siya ng west, ayun, naikutan siya lalo. Tapos kengkoy pa to. Kakainis.
Sorry.
Hindi, okay lang.
Ruski kasi namatay.
Napasubo sa subo tayo, boy. Napasubo tae.
Subutay ba pumatay sa akin? Uy, 2M. 2M Death Fame, let's go.
Kaya nabuti nga hindi ako nakita ng blood letter kanina eh. Isang pitik na lang talaga ako dun. Namamatay ako sa brawl.
Sayang.
Yan na nung bleed nung Axon, sakit eh.
Sayang.
Sayang. Empty. Okay, shit content.
Okay, time to out.
Kukunin na yung gamit, no?
Di pa.
Hindi na tayo, no? Hindi pa yung ano.
Hinihintay pa natin si Zico.
Mga si 16 UTC pa to ah. Pwede.
Ano yung tuloy-tuloy?
Oh.
Ayoko na.
Anong escalate sin ano? Binago ba yung ano? Yung bandits, tignan mo. Anong
Okay,
escalate?
get your sets. Hold southwest.
80% and we go.
Alin ba yung ano, yung nasa SM ba yan? Escalator.
Ang yan. Hindi ko man alam akong pinakausap.
Oo nga, di ko alam kung sino
You
kausap
will
yun.
TP? Okay.
Nagawa sa double.
Yeah, I guess just TP and then go bank your sets there and then run us with your another set here in MR.
Okay.
Ano ba? Ah,
Ay, gago.
ano? Si Hante. Pauwi na, yes. We're going to a trip. Dapat pala talaga inintay ko muna. Yeah, we bring back set to hideout.
Meron pa tayo ba tayo kanina na ano? Yung gigapatsin. Meron.
Muntik na natin may chat yung caller.
Yun lang.
Kaya na-cancel pala daw si Oski. Mali pala ni
Sorry.
Oski. Dapat pala patay natin. Take invis guys. Take invis.
Wala.
Go southwest.
Sinulang ng pitik.
Okay, Squirtle.
Uy, Squirtle.
No.
Nahawa ka na naman tabo eh.
Tumatanda na kasi. Bagal. Walang mobility.
Wow.
Wheelchair.
Orbipec boy, Orbipec.
Saan tayo?
Southwest again.
Southwest?
Southwest Infen. Don't be late ah.
Ay, gago ka ano? Ba't sa slow ako?
Perch ganker do. Itong
Oh,
boy, mali yata uuwian mo.
Wrong address, gago.
Wala.
Shit.
Okay.
Buti ako tama pa rin naman yung direksyon